Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur background using the spin blur. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's begin. So this is our image. What I want you to do is to select the subject. You can either use the pen tool or the quick selection tool or any of the selection tool that you think it works best for you, but I prefer the pen tool. With Photoshop 2021, there is a select subject option there which makes your selection very simple. So go to select and mask. It opens this window. If you are using an older version of Photoshop, this doesn't apply to you. This works in Photoshop 2019, 2020 and 2021. So click on select. And now your image is selected. The next thing I want you to do is to make sure you click on the matching ants. So you click on the view, you choose matching ants. So now you can pick your lasso tool to correct the places that didn't select properly. So you need to correct it nicely. Look around. Wherever there are imperfections, you perfect it very nicely. The next thing I want you to do is to feather it to around 2.3. 2.3 is okay. The smooth and the contrast is okay. And the output, make sure the output is output to layer mask. So you click here and you select the layer mask. So now you can click on OK and your image is selected. Now the next thing I want you to do is to duplicate this layer. So you click on the layer, and then Ctrl J, it duplicates. The next thing I also want you to do is to click on the thumbnail, the black and white thumbnail on layer 0. So right click and go to delete layer mask. And now you have this. So go to layer 0 copy and hold Ctrl and click on the black and white thumbnail. It reloads your selection. The next thing I want you to do is to go to select, modify and expand. Expand by choose 10. 10 is okay. So click on OK. Now I want you to make sure you select the layer 0. Now go to edit and fill, or you can hit Shift F5. So this box comes up. Make sure you choose content aware. we have foreground, background, color. So choose content aware and now click OK. So now I want you to disable the layer 0 copy. So now the content aware has done a perfect job. You can hit Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. So this is what you have, and enable the layer 0. The next thing I want you to look at again is you can now go to filter, blur gallery, and choose spin blur. You can increase the size of the spin by dragging it widely. This is too blurry, so you can reduce the blurriness by dragging. Go to blur angle, reduce the blur angle to 6 degrees. 6 degrees is okay. Everything is okay, so you can now click on OK, and your effect is being applied. So here you are. You have a nice pink background, very nice. You can add a hue adjustment layer by clicking on this icon. Go to hue saturation and then move the hue and reduce the saturation a little bit. Wow, isn't that beautiful? So this is the final work. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and share this video. See you in my next tutorial.